In this video, you will learn about what is full stack, MERN, MEVN, and MEVN development. It refers to software application development, just as websites and mobile apps like Android and iOS apps. The word full stack development refers to this websites and mobile apps development, whereas MERN, MEVN, and MEVN development refers only to website development. Let's look in detail about full stack development. Full stack development is referred to website and mobile apps. When an individual can do complete application without depending on any other individual, then he or she is called as a full stack developer, and their work is called as a full stack development. This full stack development is done in two parts for each application, either it is website or for mobile app. One is front-end development, and other is back-end development. The development of screens in application that user can interact, that part of designing comes under front-end development. Just like web pages in the website, app screens in mobile app are developed using front-end technologies. Coming to back-end, it deals with processing of data storage from user screens, and adding logics as per application requirement. It consists of two parts, one is web service, and other is database. Web service acts as a bridge between the user screens and database to communicate each other. Therefore, web service is a service layer with which databases and user screens gets communicated to each other through a web. Whereas, database, it is a collection of data. It is a data storage place. Web services are hosted in web server, and database is hosted in database server. Web services consists of three modules: controller, service, and repository. Controller takes care of inputs from front-end and outputs to front-end from web service. In service layer, you can add your business logic required for your web application or mobile application. Repository layer takes care of communicating with databases in database server. This complete backend is exposed to front-end as a application programming interface, which is also called as API. Using API, front-end is communicated with backend. Therefore, front-end programming is also called as client-side programming. And back-end programming is also called as server-side programming. Developer needs to work on lots of programming languages to make this full-stack application. To achieve the goal of a full-stack development simply with four programming languages, MERN stack, MEVN stack, and MEVN stack technologies are introduced. In MERN stack, MEVN stack, and MEVN stack technologies, only VA languages are changed, and MEN technologies are common for all the three stacks. Let's see what they are mean. M stands for MongoDB. E stands for Express.js. N stands for Node.js. They are common for all the three stacks. V stands for Vue.js. A stands for AngularJS. R stands for React.js. Now, let's see how they make full-stack development. VA are the front-end technologies. One among this framework can be used to develop website screens. If we are using Vue.js, then the technology is called as MEVN stack. If we are using AngularJS, then the technology is called as MEN stack. If we are using React.js, then the technology is called as MERN stack. M stands for MongoDB. It is a database server. E and N Express.js and Node.js are used to develop web services. Controller code is written with Express.js. Using Node.js, service and repository code are written. Using MEN backend technologies are developed. In this way, full-stack development is achieved with MEVN stack, MEN stack, and MERN stack. That's it.